Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a rainbow with LED lights. To begin, you will need addressable RGB LED strips, which allow you to control each light individually. A microcontroller, like an Arduino, serves as the brain, sending specific color commands. You'll also need a suitable power supply to energize your entire LED setup. This combination forms the foundation for vibrant, customizable light displays. For your project, select an addressable LED strip, like the popular WS2812B, which offers individual pixel control. Pair this with a microcontroller such as an Arduino Uno or an ESP32 to manage the complex color patterns. Crucially, your power supply must deliver enough voltage and current for all your LEDs, typically 5 volts. Don't forget jumper wires and a breadboard for easy connections. To program the rainbow, first install an LED library, such as Fast LED or Adafruit NeoPixel, in your microcontroller's development environment. Your code will then define the number of LEDs and their data pin connection. Implement a color wheel function to smoothly cycle through the entire spectrum of hues. You can easily adjust the animation speed and brightness settings within your code to achieve your desired visual effects. To enhance your display, experiment with different LED strip densities. More LEDs per meter create a denser, brighter effect. Consider using diffusers or light channels to soften the individual LED points, creating a more uniform and pleasing glow. For an interactive experience, integrate sensors like sound or motion detectors. Finally, explore advanced programming techniques to create even more complex and captivating light patterns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.